Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and here I have the gold currant, Ribes aureum. Two of the shrubs grow in the garden of my friends Klaus and Rosie in Heidelberg. It's quite a big currant, as you can see, much taller than me. Literature says 2 to 3 meters, that's what, 6 to 10 feet. Yeah, those are 2.5 meters, and yeah, a couple of the, yes, look at that. The tallest branch here, over there, which is growing inside this plum, is definitely over 3 meters. So big plant. Well, why is it called gold currant? I picked a couple fruits and they are black. Smaller than the black currant and shiny, I would say. Well, it's called gold currant because the flowers are very beautiful and golden, and that's why it's being used a lot as an ornamental here in Europe. It's not being used a lot as a fruit, but it's being used a lot as a rootstock for other Ribes species. Rosie says those things were the rootstock for 2 gooseberries, for 2 grafted like gooseberries which look like bonsai trees. The gooseberries died and the rootstock remained. And they tried the fruits and found them good enough to eat them. They are fully ripe. So what would I say? Well, you could say they are more boring. Yeah, even the mummified ones are quite good. Taste like raisins. You can say they are more boring than the other currants we have. The black currant is a lot more aromatic, and the red currant is a lot more sour, and when it's fully ripe and the sourness is gone, yeah, then it's more sweet than this stuff. So you could say it's a little bit boring. I like the flavor. Pretty mild flavor. There's still some remnant of sourness. A bit of sweetness, a mild flavor. Yeah, not a bad fruit, I would say. I understand why people would prefer red or black currant. Also, I don't know how long Klaus and Rosie picked fruit from those. There are more fruits here where they can not reach so well, so I think there were more fruits. There were a lot more fruits here a couple weeks ago, but still it's not as productive as red or black currant. And the shrub is 10 times bigger. Red or black currant are usually under a meter, and also not as wide. I understand why this is not as popular as a fruit shrub. The other currants taste more exciting, but it's not bad. I think it should be present in every currant collection. Yeah, good currant. I like it. Please tell me, folks, what are your experiences with the golden currant? Have you seen it? Have you tried it? Is it considered rather an ornamental in your area, or a rootstock, or maybe even a fruit shrub, or is it just growing wild? Please tell me. Hit me with your opinions on this slightly unusual fruit shrub. Apart from that, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the incredibly biodiverse garden of Klaus and Rosie in Heidelberg, Germany. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.